Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of ERPNext tutorials by TechSolvo. In this particular video, we are going to learn how to create a work order uh, using your sales order, right? So basically sales order is an order which we receive from our client or our customer, while work order is an order we create to start the manufacturing process internally inside our team. So let's just say if production or manufacturing of a particular goods takes 3 steps, which includes assembly, which includes carpentering, which includes like fitting, all these things, right? It could be anything. So you need to update all the team members or all the basically, I would say, all the categories or domain of people who are working in your companies. You need to update them, right? So that is done, or updation part is done using a work order generation, right? So let's start and let's create a work order, right? So there are two ways in which you can create a work order. One way is you can directly go inside sales order list, right? Inside sales order list, what you can do is you can directly open that sales order, and from here you can create a work order, right? So this is the very simple way to do it. You just need to create work order. You just need to click on create, and directly it could be created, right? So this is the one way. Second way is to directly go to work order page. So I'll just click on new work order. I'll select an item to manufacture. So for example, I need to manufacture metallic table. So I'll click on it. There is already a BOM created for this. So all the elements or all the raw material which is needed to create this particular metallic table is already pre-filled. I'll just need to again select a sales order from here. I'll click on it, right? And I can select quantity to manufacturer, right? So quantity to manufacturer was 15. So I'll click on 15, and you see everything is already aligned. So for example, to manufacture one single quantity, I need 4 metallic sheet, 30 screws and 2 paint bottles. While if I click on 15, it automatically gets updated. So once I click on save and I click on submit, this particular work order would be created, right? And from here you can close, stop the things. Also you can start the process from here. So let's just say I'm going to manufacture quantity 15. So I need to transfer all the material to manufacturing process, right? So I'll just create it and start the process. So automatically after I click save, everything would be transferred to the team. I just need to submit it from here, right? So this is how a work order is generated. So all the stock entries, all the deduction, all the additions are automatically done after this particular process. So you can see stock ledger, if there is anything which is reduced. So you see that inside stock ledger you see that 30 kgs of paint is taken away from the warehouse, 450 screwdrivers are taken, and metal sheet 60 are taken, because we wanted to produce 15 metallic tables, right? So this is how work order is generated inside ERPNext.